Hey guys, this is Srikanth here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access a GitHub project from Ansible. Okay, so in particular, I'm going to access a private GitHub project from Ansible. So on the screen, you see a GitHub project that I have created, just a hello world.yml file. Just try to display hello world message, but this is a private project. So I will show you how you can get this access from Ansible. So I got this AWX instance installed on my PC. Okay, so here I go with the projects, and then I will add a project, and then I'm going to take this HTTPS link and then put it over here. Okay, so here I'm going to select Git, and then I'm going to put it over here. And the branch I'm going to give main branch. Okay, main branch, and I'm going to give some titles. Okay, test like Git test. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, and then I think you can leave rest of the things. So let me save it first, and then I will try to sync it. So by default, when you try to save it, it will try to get synced. It has failed. So let's check why it got failed. So it says that authentication failed. Okay, it also says repository not found. At the same time, it says authentication failed also. Okay, the reason why authentication failed is because it is a private project. Now, okay, so now if I go back to details of the project, okay, so if I go edit, so obviously this is somewhere where I can provide some sort of credentials. Okay, basically it requires some credentials to access this project, right? So I'm going to show you how to create these credentials. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my GitHub, and then from here I'm going to go to my settings and then create a token. Okay, so I'm going to developer settings and then personal access tokens and token classic. So here I'm going to generate a new token. I already got few tokens created for other purposes. Okay, so I'm going to create a generate new token classic, and then here I'm going to give Ansible repo read 123. Okay, so it is clashing with other names, so I'm just going to do that. Expiration date, set it accordingly, and in the settings set, what you have to select is okay project read project. Okay, and then generate token. Let's see if this works or not. So it's very important that once you save it, right, you have to copy this token from here. So if you refresh this page, that token will be gone. So after taking that token, you go here and then go back to credentials and then add a credential and give GitHub test 123. Okay, and then credentials type, go here and give source control. Okay, here we have other options also. GitHub personal access token. Okay, I have found that these things are not working, so uh, I'm going with source control, and here I have to give the password. Okay, password is nothing but this token, and I have to define this username here. Mine is read house flutter. Okay, so that's it, and just save it. So without this username, it is not working. So I'll just go back again here, projects, and then GitHub test 123, edit sync, and I'm going to fill this token over here. Okay, and save it and sync it again. Let's see if it works now or not. Okay, it still failed. Yeah, so it says that write access to repository not granted. Looks like it also needs write access. So now let's refresh this page and just go here and then grant this one as well. Okay, so I'm I tried this before, so I know that is something what we should give. So this one is read project. Maybe there may be something more like write project also. Okay, but I think this one will definitely work. So let me update the token and then go back here, come back here, and then relaunch. Let's see if it works or not. So it is successful now. So if you go back to projects, you can see that GitHub test 123 has been successful. Once after pulling, right, you can go to any templates, and then if you create a new project, okay, so based on the project that you select, that particular playbook will be available over here. So you can have multiple playbooks inside one GitHub project. Okay, hope this is clear, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.